This is the center console of the 2010 to 2012 Benz CLS W218 with the NTG 4.0 system. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Use the pry to pry open the side cover. Use the screwdriver to remove the screws fixing the air outlet panel. Use the pry to pry open the air outlet panel and unplug the wires. Use the screwdriver to loosen the two screws fixing the head unit. Pull out the head unit. Unplug the cable on the side of the head unit. Unplug the power cable. If there is an optical fiber cable, it needs to be moved to the new wiring harness. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness. Remove the OEM screen frame. Use the screwdriver to remove the two screws fixing the OEM screen. Then you can unplug the power cable and LUVs cable of the OEM screen.